Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to Surfacing course. In this lecture, we're gonna look at the Curvature Display. Curvature Display we use when we want to see changes in a surface that might be hard to see with a standard display. So we have this sketch and we're gonna create a surface. So let's go to Swap Surface. We're gonna start with Sketch Profile. Then we're gonna select Profile. And then we're gonna select our path. And now we're gonna go to Guide Curves, right click, Selection Manager, and we go with this curve. OK. Right click, and we go with this curve. And OK. And now we got our surface. Let's click OK. And this is our surface. And now maybe something is hard to see, some changes in the surface with this display. So if we want to see some details, we can go to Surface, Edit Feature, and here we have Curvature Display. Let's open this. So we have three options: Mesh Preview, Zebra Stripes, and Curvature Comps. Let's check Mesh Preview. Now we can see that we have some mesh on our surface. Here, we can change the mesh density, so we can increase the mesh density, and we can decrease the mesh density. And now we have a different display of our surface. Let's uncheck Mesh Preview, and let's check Zebra Stripes. Zebra stripes simulate the reflection of long stripes of light on a very shiny surface. With zebra stripes, we can easily see wrinkles or defects in the surface, and we can verify the two adjacent faces are in contact, or tangent, or have continuous curvature. So if we go closer, now we can see the reflection of long stripes of light. And the last that we have is Curvature Comps. So let's uncheck Zebra Stripes, and let's go with Curvature Comps. Like this. And here we have direction 1, the red one, as we see here in this direction. And we have direction 2, the blue one, this direction. And here we have a scale. Here we can adjust the size of Curvature Comps, so we can increase it and we can decrease it. As well, we have a density. Here we can adjust the number of Curvature Comps. So as we see, now we have a more Curvature Comps. So Curvature Comps show us how big is deflection in specific region on our surface. So we have the biggest deflection here. As we see, so the Curvature Comps here are more dense, and we have some small deflection here. So here, the Curvature Comps are small. So when we have some complicated surface, with those three tools, we can see the changes in surface that are hard to see with a standard display. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.